Let's start. So yesterday we have made all these charts in the class. I have given you this homework. Okay, these three homeworks I have given you, different combination. Okay, out of this you can make three more. This I have done sum of sales by category. You can make sum of profit by category. Yes or no? Sum of profit and sum of sales and sum of quantity by region. So more things I have passed here in the tooltip. You asked me tooltip yesterday, right? So I added tooltip. This sum of sales by segment, I can make it sum of profit by segment. Getting it? I called you one more time for Tableau interview, right? You haven't come, you haven't contacted me after that. Uh, okay. So now you cannot ask. I will let you know. So let's make donut chart. Read this.
Donut chart explanation similar to pie chart but with a hole in the center. Application visualizing part of a hole with additional context in the center, such as a center KPI or a summary statistic.
Yes. What is mean by that? See, in pie chart we don't have space in center, right? Everything is occupied whole this circle. Now when I'm making a dashboard, I'll be having many of charts. I'm not sharing the screen. Okay. Sorry for that. So see, we don't have any space in the bit center. Now when I'm going to make a dashboard, let us suppose I'm making a dashboard. I have different charts, multiple I have. There will be different. Just for showing you, I'm making it same. Okay. Have you got it, guys? Like this, multiple things will be there. But in the center, there is no space. And let us suppose whole this box is filled. So I can use donut chart for the center space. I can give some more additional context like card. Let us suppose this is card. We are going to learn this. Right now you don't know what is card. That is fine. I am putting the sales inside this. I got this number. So I am putting it in the center. I'll reduce the text size. I'll try to make it background off. So now this is transparent. I'm unable to select it. So now the center place, am I using it, right? In pie chart, I'll not be using it. Getting it? So what they are telling, the center place, visual part of whole with additional context in the center, such as some KPI. This key performance indicator. KPI means key performance indicator. So what is that indicator? This total sales, total profit, total quantity, total discount. Yes, average sales, average profit, average discount. What is this key performance indicator? Whatever you calculate, a number which you want to show to others, so that you can call it as key performance indicator. So what they are telling, the additional circle or the space in the center can be used for that kind of task. Is that clear? When you want, okay, my whole space is occupied, 2-3 pie charts I have, I will convert it into donut chart. I will increase the space in center. Now this whole donut chart is there. I can change the size of the whole spacing. I can give radius. See, now the size increased. So I can use this size as well as this ring still telling me that distribution, right? So this center place I can use it for additional thing. Clear everyone? So can we make it? So yesterday what you made for the pie chart, same you can make donut chart. Same things will be there. Only the visual representation is different. Task is same. Here also more than 6 attribute will not put. Getting it? Yesterday's was pie chart, that is kind of idli, and this is vada. That's it. Idli doesn't have hole in between. Vada has. Okay. Just make this. If you have any doubt in this, you can use this region. What symbol you have to select? This next to pie chart, that is donut chart. That symbol you have to select, and in legend you can put yesterday whatever number of pie charts you made, all number of donut charts will make it, and do the formatting. Do you want any help? And have you seen the recording? Or you have taken help with anybody?
Yeah.
Previous task you have done?
I need to already. Yeah. So you can start already.
Right. Are you all making it? Same options are present for pie chart as well as donut chart. Only extra option is there for the radius. See this radius, you can increase or decrease center area. Just what you have to do for formatting, go to each option. Okay, click on each option, click on that, see what changes are happening. Try to make a chart similar to my chart. Then formatting is done. Is there anyone who want any help or stuck at some point? Those who are stuck and not asking anything, for them I'm making it, taking this donut chart in the legend. What was that for? Let's make it for a region versus C. This I got my donut. I'm going to the legends. Now legends I don't want this side. I want top center. So legends I got in the top center. Or bottom center is also a good one. Then text, bold, color dark. This is changing for legend. Now slices. Slices have three different colors. These are random colors given by Tableau. I want special colors. Little bit brighter. Spacing. Spacing I want little bit more detail. I want let it be. This is total and percentage of total both. Just highlighting those. Rotation. Rotation means keeping them so then going to the general title. So some people are asking for the recording for Tuesday. Tuesday recording doesn't happen. I revised the same for Monday, Tuesday, on Wednesday. You asked? Who was asking for the recording on WhatsApp? You asked. Effect, background. So all color we have used, whatever color we are taking. Transparency, visual borders, rounded corners, shadow. You can choose what color shadow you want. Generally in real world this option is not present. Can you choose the color of your shadow? Tooltip, how the tooltip will look like. Right now it is black. Use white label, white color, background. We'll use mm, red. See the label we are getting, tooltip we are getting for that. So that's it. We have not given here spacing. Where will be the spacing option, guys? Hmm? Divider. If I just view the title color also same as this. Done, guys. How many of you are done? Yes. So can we go to next? So whatever number of pie charts you have created yesterday, the class and homework, same number of donut charts and formatting you have to do. Because the reason is you want it to remember it until you are going to do the interview. That's why the practice is required. Otherwise, the content is easy only. Yes or no? Funnel chart. We'll delete this. Why we are calling it as funnel chart? Because the representation is in the shape of funnel. Do you know what is funnel? Funnel. So generally, what I have done, so we will cut one bottle, yes, into half. So the opening end will use as a funnel whenever our vehicle's petrol will get empty. So we cannot put directly the petrol into the tank, right? So we'll cut another bottle, we'll place it, and we'll easily pour the petrol. So the half bottle which we are using it as a funnel. Okay, so here the shape is like funnel chart. That's why we are calling it as funnel. Let's read this.
Displays stages in a process with a bit of each stage representing the value. Application. Visualizing processes with the sequential steps such as sales, pipelines, recruitment processes, or conversation funnels. Convention funnels.
So what representation we have done here is for subcategories. So the highest what we have done, sales by subcategory. This we could have done in bar chart also and column chart also. But as I know that the smallest value is also present, lot like 17 attributes are there. So let's give it some shape. That is my what we can say, thought kind of. It's not compulsory to use this. Yes, but like randomly I wouldn't be using. If only 2 3 are having the larger value and other are all are smaller values, then this kind of shape would not be there, right? In that case, I would not be using it. So when it is giving in that all 17, I have the highest values also and the lowest values also, all together it will give me a feel of funnel chart. In that case, I'll be using it. So let us see if I just use it with less number of attributes. Here we have funnel chart option. This one. Select that option. How to zoom it out? So in category, I could have given category versus sales. See here, it is not giving that kind of much effect. There is no much difference. When I take region, here a little bit, so I can give it a thought. But in terms of subcategory, yes, getting it, making it more relevant to use. Now, as soon as we make it, let's move towards formatting, visual options. Having color, I can give color for all, or if I say show all, you can get different all options. You might have different options, just try to find it out. You have to select one by one. This is one way. Another thing is here do we have legend? We don't have. So in this way only we can go, giving different colors for each. But in the bar chart we have legend, yes or no? So like that you can give different colors if you want. Then data labels, how these values will be looking. inside center, inside, outside, all the values are there outside. Inside will be preferable. Then what all things I want to know about it? I just want to know if percentage. Both. And how should it be looking like? See, most of the time the formatting will have similar option. Rarely different options will be there. Now this category, this is the conversion rate, this and this. Now going to the general option, this you can do it easily yourself. Visual products. Header icons are not that much important to do. Still to remember. Tooltip will not give. That's it. Done. Now before going to our next step, should I go for it or wait? Yes. Done. Last. Done. Okay. See this title you can see, right? Funnel chat and all. So this is also important to make. What is this? Bar. So I'll go to insert. Okay. Everybody focus on this. Insert. I'll add text box. What I'm adding? Text box. Then I'm typing here. What is the name? Bar. Bar. Okay. Now whatever changes I want to apply on it, on that written or typed text, I have to select them first. Control A. Selection is important. Control A. Then if I increase the size, if I make it this, becoming, now let me unselect it. Now I will change the size again back to this 10. Is it changing? No. If I select it and change, it will change. So getting the point? So whatever changes you want to apply, you have to select it and then apply. Like text what you want, Times New Roman, bold, color what you want, dark black, let us suppose. Okay, so this much you are done. I want to place it at the top. Now, remaining things here see, I have only general. I don't have any, it is not a visual, it is just a text box. So visual option is not only general option. Now I can give it rounded corner. Background I'll give yellow like all others. Yellow background. And visual borders on. Rounded corners I'll give. Okay. Rounded corners. Center alignment. Go to the title. No, center alignment will be given from here. Shadow, if you want to give, you can give. Shadow is there. That's it. Getting it, everyone? Now take 2 minutes. Make for all. Whatever number of charts are there, make it for all. Now see, one option is there. Uh, Generally, I tell this option very late because people will misuse this. Okay, but still I am telling, don't use it until see this the right column chart. Now what I made is little bit different. This one is good or that one? This header. This is normal looking, right? This is looking better than that. I'll select this. I'll click on format painter. Okay. Now clicking on this. So this became similar to that. Getting it? See the background shadow came, the rounded corners and all other things got applied here. Getting it? So you don't have to use it rarely because what homework I'm doing, you'll do the formatting on one chart. You'll say copy format painter and you'll apply to all charts. Okay, so don't do that right now. Later part at the end of the course, you can use this. For example, see this one, everyone. This selecting this chart, clicking on format painter. Now clicking on this. See, it got all formatting applied here. Getting it, everyone? So don't follow this. This is not good for your learning. Make all these bars. So bar chart, column chart. Created. So how you are creating? Tell me.
Using your text.
Text box. Once done. Next one, what you are doing?
Formatting gender.
After that, for next chart, how you are doing? Same. You are adding text box. Multiple time adding text box. Why, guys? Why adding multiple time text box? Once you learn, right? You'll copy this text box. Control C. Copy it. Wherever it is not there, paste it there. See here, text box is not available. Control V. Paste it here. Just change the text. Okay? Because we don't have that much time right now in the class. So no. This is not a funnel chart. How to change the text? I have added shape. We're going to learn all these things, text box, button shape afterwards. Right now, text box is enough for you. Can we go for ribbon? Yes. Ribbon chart, can we go for it? No response. Still, are you doing or should I wait? If one more minute happens, then we will not be able to go for this. Then Read this.
Ribbon chart explanation shows ranking of data over time with ribbon connecting category values. Application visualizing shifts in rank over time, such as tracking market position or performance ranking.
Now see, we have learned stack column. So no. If you just remove that connection, it will look like stacked column. This connection is there in between, like this. If you remove this connection in between, it will look like a stacked column. See, this got converted to stacked column. Yes. Now it is what? Ribbon. Ribbon option is here. Now what is the difference between stacked column and ribbon? See, when I see, first one is what is that color? Color name? Huh? Purple, orange, blue, sky blue. Yes. Then orange, purple, sky blue, blue. The order of this color is different. But in the stacked order is same, right? Here numbering is different. Who's having whatever the number, that number is only being shown there. But in ribbon, the order is also changing. Now, what is the use of this? It is just trying to say in 2016. Let me make it bold. In 2016, what is this blue color for? West. West was at the top. In 2017, the West region sales went to the second position. In 2018, again, West region is performing well. This is what we are understanding from by this connection. In the stack, are we understanding that we have to see the number with focus? Okay, we have to see all the numbers. This number is big, this number is small, another two numbers are big. Here, the size of these two boxes are slightly changes. We are unable to see the difference. But in the ribbon, easily we can see that this is the bigger, this is the smaller as compared to 2017. This is 0.15 million, this is 0.14 million. Yes or no? So this additional information we are getting in ribbon chart. Is that clear? If this information is not there, then there is no difference between stacked and ribbon. Getting it? So how to create this? See, in the x-axis, we are putting order date because it is showing the changes of the sales according to the year. Then in legend, we are putting region. In y-axis, sum of sales. So how to do this? Let me show you. Select ribbon. Put order date. Now, as soon as you put order date, it will show you all the values. Let me put others, then let's remove those values. The region. Now there is the connection. You can only put the year. Now see, if all the values are here, year, quarter, month, date, we have some extra option here. Drill down option. Go to the next. Next it is showing according to the quarter. Next it is showing according to the month. Next it is showing according to the date, which is having lot of confusion. According to the year, it is good. Okay. So that's why I'm removing this other all options. I just want to see it according to year. That is the basic one and easy to understand. So for formatting of this, X-axis formatting, values, color, title. So see here, for you it is showing, if you are directly putting the order date, it is showing like this. So click on the drop down, go to date hierarchy and remove others. Date hierarchy is not there. Okay, one thing we missed. See here, focus on my order date and focus on your order date. See, it will not show you date hierarchy. Why? Where is that column? See, focus on my order date and focus on your order date. For me, order date is what? Calendar symbol. For you, it is summation. So how to convert that? See, click on the column name. At this point, you have data type. Click on the drop down, convert it into date. Select that column. Yeah, that is whole number for you. Convert it into date. Okay, because name is what order date. While importing the data, it got imported as whole number. Yes, but you know that it is order date. What's your name? You are in girls group. No, right? Done, everyone. Convert it to date. So do the formatting. Try to click on all options and do formatting and come. Don't use format painters. Please, it's a request. It got converted to order date. Data type. Very good. So pack up for today. We'll continue tomorrow. Not tomorrow, on Monday.